continuous. So their value also continuous. So what do you say here is here, here phi of x is continuous, phi of x is continuous and differentiable on closed interval a comma b and open interval a comma b respectively. So then then there exists a point, there exists a point C belongs to A comma B. By Rolle's theorem, we can say it is C belongs to A comma B such that phi dash of C is equal to 0. That's it. Now we take the condition phi of A is equal to phi of B, substitute the values, get one relation. Okay, now phi of A is equals to phi of B. Phi of A value I can get from here like that. F of A, x will be replaced with A plus k into g of A plus is equals to f of b plus k into g of b. We'll simplify this. X bits. F of a is equals to f of a plus k into g of a, which is equals to f of b plus k into g of b. This value we bring that side. This one we can bring this side. K into g of a minus k into g of b is equals to f of b minus f of a. Now if you take minus k common, we have changed the order here. It's g of b will come first, minus g of a will come later because we have taken minus common is equals to f of b minus f of a. From this, minus k value will be equal to f of b minus f of a by g of b minus g of a. जिम आपको वो थियरी पार्ट रोल थ्योरम का ग्रुप में डालो बना. This is taken some equation. Okay, we have to take this is second equation. Then also we know the value of phi of x is equals to f of x plus k into g of x. Now this one we have to differentiate with respect to x on both sides. We get phi dash of x is equal to f dash of x plus k into g dash of x. Now x is replaced with c. Phi dash of c is equals to f dash of c plus k into g dash of c. Phi dash of c value by Rolle's theorem already we know that here we wrote it's a 0 by Rolle's theorem. This value is 0 is equals to f dash of c plus k into g dash of c. Now you can bring this value that side. F dash of c is equals to minus k into g dash of c. So we divide g dash of c on both sides. Here also, moreover here also. cancelling. These values are cancelling. This one cancel. Then finally, what do you say? Minus k is equals to f dash of c by g dash of c. Now we merge this equation number 2 and 3 from there to from 3 and 4. From 3 and 4 we say final result, that is f dash of c by g dash of c is equals to f of b minus f of a by g of b minus g of a. G of b minus g of a, which is the end of this theorem proof completed. Okay. See the problems. How the problem will come in exam. Using first problem, using Cauchy's mean value theorem, find C if fx is equals to the value of x is equals to e to the power of minus x and g of x is equal to e power x, and here interval is a comma b. Interval is also specified here. So let us start. Fx is equals to e raised to the power of minus x. What about its derivative? F dash x is equal to what? Minus e power minus x.
Minus e power x.
What is g of x? Is equal to e power x again. And what about its derivative? G dash of x is equal to again e power x. Condition number 1, 2 and 3 all satisfied. यहाँ पे ऐसा लिखना. Therefore, f comma g are continuous and differentiable. Continuous and differentiable on closed interval a comma b and open interval a comma b respectively. Or and third condition also, g dash of x is not 0. You take any value between a and b. Now, according to the Cauchy's mean value theorem formula, by Cauchy's mean value theorem, there exists a point C must belong to a comma b such that, what's the formula? What we said just now, f dash of c by g dash of c is equals to f of b minus f of a by
F of a by
g
a
of
of b
b
minus g of a.
g of a, g of b minus g of a. Just put on the values. F dash of c की value है minus e power minus c by g dash of c की value है e power c. Replacing x with c, f of b. F of b means we get e power minus b minus e power minus a divided by g of b means e power b minus e power minus a. So e power plus a. But we know that already anything negative anything will be having the negative power can be written as 1 by
A power n.
concept. We have to use it here to prove this one. Minus of 1 by e power c divided by e power c is equals to 1 by e power b minus 1 by e power a by e power b minus e power a. This fraction by fraction, this will go down. E power c, e power c, e power 2c is equals to numerator we take LCM e power b, e power a LCM. We get here e power a minus e power b divided by e power b minus e power a. Now from numerator or from denominator, take it minus form to make these two values same. So minus of 1 by e to the power of c. Let us take minus from the numerator. We get e power b minus e power a by e power b into e power a. That second fraction will become reverse. 1 by e power b minus e power a. What happened here? This one and this one cancel. Minus and minus cancel. Whatever answer we are getting, that also we take reciprocal. E power 2c is equal to e power, bases are equal, both should be added, a plus b. E and e also cancel. 2c is equal to a plus b. Then we say that c value is equal to a plus b by 2. This is a geometric mean. Now for question में पूछ रहा आपको find c, to get the value of c, and that should be belongs to the interval a comma b. So therefore we say Cauchy is mean value theorem. That's the end of this Cauchy's concept, Cauchy's mean value theorem. Now we can move on to the Taylor's theorem. टेलर थ्योरम का फॉर्मूला बहुत बड़ा है, जरा फॉर्मूला पहले देख लो, कभी कभी आपको प्रॉब्लम करने को आसानी होगा. टेलर थ्योरम, टेलर थ्योरम फिर थर्ड यूनिट में भी आता. दिस टेलर थ्योरम इज फॉर वन वेरिएबल. द फॉर्मूला इज f of x is equals to f of a plus x into f dash of a plus x square by 2 factorial into f double dash of a plus x cube by 3 factorial into f triple dash of a plus and so on. Minimum 3 terms is required to apply the formula. 3 मतलब एक्सपेंशन में कम से कम 3 टर्म देखता हूँ, अदरवाइज वो गलत हो जाएगा. मतलब 2 टर्म्स में मिनिमम 3 टर्म्स शुड बी रिक्वायर्ड. बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स है, मैं ले लेता हूँ कुछ एग्जांपल. क्वेश्चन लिख रहा हूँ. expand e power x using Taylor's theorem. टेलर सीरीज भी उतना ही है, टेलर्स फॉर्मूला भी उतना ही. सो वेरी सिंपल, f of x is equal to e power x, and here a is, if a is available, the neighborhood we say, but neighborhood is not available means we take that point will be 0. This is e power 0, and formula will also change. I'll show you what is the formula. E power 0 की value 1. f dash of x, the derivative of e power x must be e power x only. Now if you find out f dash of 0, you get e power 0, that is again 1. Now we have double dash. If f double dash is equals to e power x, that is f double dash of 0 is equals to again e power 0, and that is 1. 3 terms we got it. Enough. We write the formula and put the values. By Taylor's series formula expansion, all are same. Formula will be changed now. F of x is equal to, we have a point now 0. We don't have point. F of 0 plus x into f dash of 0 plus x square by 2 factorial into f double dash of 0 plus and so on. Minimum 3 terms is required. F of x value we got it. We know that it is equal to e power x. So e power x is equal to f of 0 is 1 plus x into f dash of 0 is 1 plus x square by 2 factorial into 1. और अगर इसको आप लिख रहे तो आपको मैं अपनी तरफ से एक्स्ट्रा बता रहा हूँ. अगर इसको आप एक्सपेंड करें कंटिन्यू तो ऐसा x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 4 by 4 factorial plus and so. That is for the expansion of e power x using Taylor series. Actually ये sin x cos x tan x के जो expansion है e power x के वो टेलर थ्योरम से भी प्रूफ हो जाता है. ठीक है. Nobody is replying. I don't know why.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you reply, then only the class will become interesting class. नहीं तो सिर्फ एक आदमी क्या करते हैं लॉन सुनते जाते लोग लाइट.
सर ये टेलर्स थ्योरम में एक्स अगर ए का वैल्यू देते क्या सर?
हाँ ए का वैल्यू रहता है. वो क्वेश्चन पे एक देख रहा हूँ मैं. ए वैल्यू विल बी देयर, पॉइंट विल बी
और
देयर.
अगर नहीं दिए तो डायरेक्ट जीरो
नहीं
ले
दिए तो
लेना
जीरो.
सर.
नहीं दिए तो जीरो.
ओके सर.
एक क्वेश्चन मिल गया, देखिए मैं बता देता हूँ. ये क्वेश्चन मिला है आपको. नियर पॉइंट आपको एक्सपेंड करना. ये अजीम क्या है? एडमिट 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 क्या जा रहे आ रहे क्या है? क्लास पढ़ रहे क्या? मसला ये क्वेश्चन को आप एक दो क्वेश्चन आप ऐसे ट्राई करो. साइन एक्स का एक्सपेंशन करना यूजिंग टेलर थ्योरम से. इसका आंसर ये आता है, देखो x माइनस एक्स क्यूब बाई 3 फैक्टोरियल प्लस एक्स पावर 5 बाई 5 फैक्टोरियल माइनस एक्स पावर 7 बाई 7 फैक्टोरियल. बट 7 तक तो अपन नहीं जा रहे. मतलब एक्सपेंशन में 3 टर्म्स आर इनफ प्लस एंड सो. क्वेश्चन कैसा आता? एक्सपैंड sin x using Taylor series. So point will not be given. The first value थोड़ा सा हिंट दे देता हूँ मैं आपको. f of x value is equals to sin x. This implies f of 0 value is equals to sin 0, which is nothing but 0 only. हिंट दे रहा हूँ मैं थोड़ा सा करके आपको. f dash of x value. तो कौन सा क्वेश्चन है? may or may not be है. sin x का डेरिवेटिव cos x आता. f dash of 0, that is cos 0 की वैल्यू 1. Now if you find out double dash, because we are getting one term is 0, we have और ज्यादा करना पड़ता. cos x का माइनस साइन,
माइनस.
this is f double dash of 0. This is equal to 0 again because sin 0 is 0. डबल डैश with ट्रिपल डैश, फोर्थ डैश, फिफ्थ डैश, इसे करते रहना. ये फॉर्मूले में ले जाके सब्स्टिट्यूट करना, खत्म हो जाए. ठीक है. दिस इज टेलर थ्योरम. ये हाफ पार्ट है. देखो इसमें से एक 2 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन, एक 7 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन कैसा भी आता. फर्स्ट हाफ पार्ट ऑफ सेकंड यूनिट विल बी कंप्लीटेड.
जी.
सेकंड हाफ पार्ट में रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर रहता. रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर में एवल्यूट एनवेलप पे क्वेश्चन ज्यादा आ रहे हैं. तो अगर मेरे को आज टाइम मिला समझो तो एवल्यूट और इवल्यूट पे आज ही करता हूँ मैं इंशाल्लाह, क्वेश्चन अगर टाइम आज मिल गया तो। ठीक है ना?
ओके सर, ओके सर।
तभी टाइम मिला आपको यूटिलाइज करेंगे बस और फिर ही। ठीक है?
जी सर।
थैंक यू सर।
जी सर।
इनवलप एवल्यूट पे
जी सर।
क्वेश्चन आज करेंगे अगर अपने को टाइम मिल गया तो। अदरवाइज फिर कल दो सेशंस की कोशिश करता हूँ। ठीक है? कोशिश
ओके सर।
करूंगा कि आज ही हो जाए क्योंकि कल फ्राइडे फिर मॉर्निंग
जी सर।
डिस्टर्बेंस रहता। ठीक है, राइट। मैं
सर
एंड कर रहा हूँ 20
ये
मिनट।
इसकी जरा मेरे को रिकॉर्डिंग।
रिकॉर्डिंग मिल जाती है।
सर सर इसका जरा मेरे को ये रिकॉर्डिंग डाल दीजिए ना सर।
रिकॉर्डिंग प्राइवेट नहीं है बाबा,
जी।
पब्लिकली है। मैं आपको मेरा लिंक दे देता हूँ, उसमें से मिल जाती है।